Hey farmers, spud lovers, and everyone in between! Are you ready to revolutionize your potato harvesting? Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-tech potato harvesting machines. We'll explore the top contenders from industry titans to nimble workhorses so you can find the perfect fit for your farm. Get ready for some serious potato power! First up, the Grimm Veritron 270. This 4-row self-propelled marvel boasts a staggering 15-ton hopper, ensuring uninterrupted harvesting even in the largest of fields. Its advanced technology and precision engineering make it a favorite among farmers seeking maximum yield with minimal effort. With its powerful digging and cleaning systems, the Veritron 270 efficiently separates potatoes from soil and debris, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Its intuitive controls and ergonomic design also ensure operator comfort during long hours in the field. In short, the Grimm Veritron 270 is a powerhouse of performance and reliability, setting the standard for modern potato harvesting equipment. Next in line is the Ropa Panther 2, a behemoth of a harvester with 6 rows and a massive 25-ton hopper. Designed for efficiency on an industrial scale, it's the go-to choice for commercial potato farming operations. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the Panther 2 delivers unmatched performance, effortlessly lifting potatoes from the soil and depositing them into its cavernous hopper. Its robust construction and high-clearance design ensure smooth operation even in challenging field conditions, while its user-friendly interface allows operators to customize settings for optimal results. With the Ropa Panther 2, large-scale potato growers can tackle vast fields with ease, maximizing yields and minimizing downtime. For those with smaller fields, the DeWolf R3060 offers the perfect balance of performance and compact design. With its 2-row configuration and 6-ton hopper, it's nimble enough to maneuver in tight spaces without compromising on productivity. The R3060 may be small in size, but it packs a punch when it comes to performance. Its gentle handling ensures minimal damage to potatoes during harvesting, while its efficient cleaning system delivers top-quality results every time. Plus, its lightweight construction and agile steering make it easy to transport between fields, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Meanwhile, the AVR Puma stands out with its robust construction and 5-ton hopper capacity. Ideal for medium-sized farms, its reliability and ease of use make it a popular choice among growers worldwide. The Puma may have only 2 rows, but don't let its size fool you. It's equipped with advanced features that rival larger harvesters, including adjustable digging depth and gentle handling mechanisms that minimize bruising and damage to potatoes. Its compact design and maneuverability also make it well-suited for farms with irregularly shaped fields or limited space. Meet the Grimm GL 860 Compacta Potato Planter, a compact yet powerful solution for modern potato farming. With its innovative design, this machine ensures precise planting of potatoes in any terrain. The GL860 Compacta features a user-friendly interface, allowing operators to adjust planting depth and spacing with ease. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller fields or operations with limited space. Despite its size, this planter boasts impressive capacity and efficiency, maximizing productivity while minimizing downtime. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, the Grimm GL860 Compacta is the perfect companion for achieving optimal potato yields. The DeWolf Medema CP42 Potato Planter. This state-of-the-art machine boasts precision planting capabilities, with a planting capacity of up to 4 rows. Equipped with advanced technology, it ensures optimal spacing and depth control, essential for uniform crop growth and high yields. The CP42 is also known for its versatility, allowing farmers to easily adjust planting settings to accommodate different potato varieties and soil conditions. Its durable construction and user-friendly design make it a favorite among growers seeking reliable performance and maximum efficiency in the field. Next up is the AVR Series 440, a versatile potato planter renowned for its efficiency and reliability. With a planting capacity of 4 rows, it offers exceptional precision and accuracy, even in challenging field conditions. Its user-friendly interface and adjustable settings make it a favorite among farmers seeking maximum productivity with minimal effort. The Series 440 is equipped with advanced features such as GPS guidance and automatic depth control, ensuring consistent planting depth and spacing for optimal crop development. Its robust construction and low-maintenance design make it a smart investment for any potato farming operation, large or small. Moving on to the Spudnik 8908 Belt Potato Planter, a heavy-duty machine designed for large-scale potato farming operations. With its 8-row configuration and high-speed planting capabilities, it's the go-to choice for commercial growers looking to maximize efficiency and throughput. The 8908 Belt Potato Planter is engineered for reliability and performance, with a rugged construction that can withstand the rigors of continuous use in the field. Its innovative belt planting system ensures precise placement of seed potatoes, reducing waste and optimizing yield. Plus, its user-friendly controls and intuitive interface make it easy to operate, even for novice users. Last but not least, we have the Grimm GB215 Potato Belt Planter, a powerhouse of precision and performance. With its innovative belt planting system, it offers unparalleled accuracy and efficiency, ensuring optimal spacing and depth control for every seed potato. The GB215 is designed for versatility, with adjustable settings that allow farmers to customize planting configurations to suit specific field conditions and crop varieties. Its high-capacity hopper and rapid planting speed make it ideal for large-scale operations, while its gentle handling ensures minimal damage to seed potatoes during planting. With the Grimm GB215, farmers can expect reliable performance and exceptional results season after season. First on our list is the Tomra 3 potato sorting machine, a cutting-edge solution for sorting potatoes based on size, shape, and quality. Using advanced sensor technology, it detects defects and foreign materials with unmatched accuracy, ensuring only premium potatoes reach consumers. The Tomra 3A is designed for versatility, with customizable settings that allow users to tailor sorting criteria to meet specific market demands. Its high-speed processing capabilities and user-friendly interface make it a valuable asset for potato packers and processors, helping them deliver top-quality products to customers around the world. Next up is the new tech LALSHOW UHD, an optical grading system that revolutionizes potato sorting with ultra-high-definition imaging. Its advanced algorithms analyze each potato with precision, sorting them into various grades based on size, color, and defects. The LALSHOW UHD is equipped with state-of-the-art cameras and intelligent software, allowing for real-time adjustments and feedback to optimize sorting accuracy and efficiency. Its modular design and customizable configurations make it adaptable to a wide range of potato varieties and processing requirements, ensuring consistent quality and maximum yield for potato packers and processors. Finally, we have the Innova UVision, an optical sorting machine designed specifically for potatoes. Using state-of-the-art cameras and intelligent software, it identifies and removes imperfect potatoes with unmatched speed and accuracy. The UVision is engineered for reliability and performance with a robust construction that can withstand the demands of continuous operation in busy packing and processing facilities. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it easy to operate, while its high-resolution imaging ensures precise sorting, even for small or irregularly shaped potatoes. With the Innova UVision, potato packers and processors can optimize quality and efficiency, delivering superior products to their customers. Wacker Neuson EZ26. When you have to dig in extremely tight spaces, you can't do without machines like the EZ26 from Wacker Neuson. It is an excavator with truly tiny dimensions, 8 feet high, 5 feet wide, and only 6 feet long. The advantages are obvious from the first glance. The cab does not exceed the size of the chassis, so the equipment is able to work close to walls and other obstacles. Sherpa 100 EHD. The industry of compact special-purpose machinery is expanding day by day, giving us the opportunity to view and study more and more interesting machines. Here is the Sherpa 100 EHD, a truly tiny multifunctional loader from the Netherlands. Its height does not exc, that means it can fit in an elevator or fit through a standard doorway. At the same time, surprisingly, it can lift loads weighing up to 770 pounds. Low vibration and noise levels, economical fuel consumption, and zero emissions are just some of the notable important features. It is much more interesting to watch the Sherpa 100 EHD at work because it is equipped with a wide variety of attachments. It can be used for dismantling, transporting, and loading bulk materials or pallets of cargo in just a few minutes. Palfinger BM. Forklift trucks are a common machine that can be found in almost every large and serious warehouse. As a rule, these machines are not particularly mobile and compact, but the Austrian company Palfinger decided to change the established order of things. BM is a special series of companies which consists of transportable forklifts. Almost all of them have a folding design and change the height several times. For example, the model BMW 154 in the transported state has a height of about 30 inches, and in the working state, almost 6 feet. Of course, this greatly simplifies operation and opens up many new opportunities. For example, a truck can be transported in a special compartment located between the rows of wheels. The maximum lift height and payload vary from model to model. In the previously mentioned BMW 154, it is 9 feet and 3,300 pounds. In any case, it does not take more than a couple of minutes to get it into working condition. Disassembly is done by a person, but not much is required. The folding compact design required the elimination of the operator's cab, so these models are operated remotely. Chiron THA 700. Returning to the machines used by public services, we simply cannot pass by the THA 700 brush cutter from the French company Chiron. This is a striking piece of machinery that can make an entire garden look tidy in just a few dozen minutes. The working tool is a boom with a row of 6 rotating blades. They effectively cut off excess branches and leaves, leaving behind a perfectly smooth surface. By the way, the model got its name not by chance. The boom has a special device so that the working height, both horizontally and vertically, is 23 feet. And engineers managed to expand the working capabilities of THA 700 by introducing a movable chassis into the model. If the machine needs more stability, the tracks are moved to the side, and the width increases from 31 inches to 39 inches. Trombia-free. The demands for clean cities are constantly increasing, while sweepers continue to be bulky, uncomfortable, noisy, and generally not very efficient. At Finnish company Trombia Tech, this situation has given rise to the Trombia-free project, a new generation of sweeper that is unlike anything you've seen before. The first thing that catches the eye is the absence of an operator. The Trombia-free is autonomous and uses GPS to navigate the terrain. The body is equipped with a large number of sensors that keep an eye on the surroundings. This means that if obstacles get in the way, the device stops and then looks for ways to get around it. The next advantage is the economical use of electricity. Trombia-free needs only 15% of the amount of fuel that modern cars use. The machine travels at a speed of 5 miles per hour and on a working width of 7 feet picks up any garbage, from particles of sand and dust to cans, bottles, and bags. And yes, we almost forgot, Trombia-free is quiet and does not create harmful emissions in the process. Graco Line Laser VS2000. The days when people had to manually mark the road, testing themselves for accuracy and precision are fading away. But technology like the one you see on your screens today is making life easier and better for people, increasing productivity and reducing costs. Graco's Line Laser VS2000 is by no means the largest and most productive machine on the market today. However, it has its own rather specific niche. Its compact size and excellent maneuverability allow it to handle jobs where larger machines can't. In particular, the Line Laser VS2000 is ideal for indoor marking, in warehouses or parking lots. Taking into account such a scope of application, the developers have made the model silent, with low vibration and harmful emissions. Trackless vehicles blower. Just as there are portable hand blowers, there are attachments for specialty vehicles with similar functionality. Canadian company Trackless Vehicles has developed this interesting attachment that attaches to a utility vehicle. As standard, it is equipped with a 12-inch nozzle from which a powerful stream of air is blown out. The manufacturer also offers a smaller diameter extended nozzle for more directional work and a narrowed nozzle, the air from which blows slower, but it has a larger usable working area. The nozzle angle can be adjusted directly from the cab, so the operator does not have to leave the cab. Overall, this technique is ideal for parks, squares, playgrounds, and other areas with a lot of trees. One last advantage: versatility. In winter, the machine is not idle and can also be used for snow removal. Trilo T1. The last hero of today's video is another machine designed to keep the territory clean and tidy. This time it is an attachment that can turn any small truck into a powerful vacuum cleaner. It can be operated by a single person, maintenance costs are reduced, and the wide collection nozzle allows even large objects up to tall coffee cups to be sucked up. The main advantage of the Trilo T1 is that it frees you from the need to buy a separate cleaning machine, but allows you to adapt an existing vehicle to it. The result is a machine that is ideally suited for cleaning parks, roadsides, and golf courses. The small width allows the machine to pass even on narrow roads. Introducing the Senebogen 830 Material Handler, a heavy-duty solution for efficient material handling. With its powerful Cummins engine, this machine tackles tasks with ease. Equipped with a hydraulic cab elevation, it offers operators a clear view of the working area, enhancing safety and precision. The 830 boasts impressive lifting capacities, reaching up to 66,000 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. From scrap recycling to port operations, its sophisticated hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise movements, maximizing productivity on the job site. Plus, its durable construction ensures longevity, providing reliable performance year after year. Next up in our heavy equipment lineup is the EFFER 2255 Knuckle Boom Crane, a true powerhouse in material handling. With its impressive reach and lifting capacity, the EFFER 2255 is designed to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. Featuring advanced hydraulic systems and precision controls, this crane offers unparalleled maneuverability and efficiency on the job site. Its telescopic boom allows for precise positioning of loads, while its high lifting capacity ensures productivity is never compromised. The EFFER 2255 is a versatile solution for a variety of industries, from construction to oil and gas. Plus, with its compact design, it can navigate tight spaces with ease. While the driver is filling out the delivery notes, the hauler is left unattended. This presents an opportunity for fuel thieves, but they will be disappointed this time. The perfect security system is on display, already installed on thousands of tractors from Scania, Ford, Volvo, and other manufacturers. This system is 100% effective, leaving thieves with no chance of success. Next in the sawmill segment is the Sarah XT135, a powerhouse designed for large-scale operations. This industrial-grade sawmill can process logs up to 53 inches in diameter and features a high-precision bandsaw blade driven by a 40-horsepower electric motor. The XT135's advanced hydraulic log handling system and computerized controls ensure precise, efficient cuts every time. Whether you're producing lumber for construction or custom woodworking projects, the Sarah XT135 delivers exceptional performance and reliability. CAT AD45. The attentive viewer will notice that the block of stone cut in the tunnel must somehow be transferred to the surface. The AD45 dump truck from the legendary American company Caterpillar will help us in this. It is designed specifically for underground galleries with low ceilings, but at the same time it is not inferior in power to other trucks. The lowered body and adapted wheelbase allow it to work on excavations with a height of 9 feet and higher. The innovations don't end there. The tipper engine is designed for economical cycles in stifling air conditions, and an optional filter unit reduces exhaust fumes by 50%. The machine is highly productive, has a high payload capacity, and is easy to operate. It is ideal for use in small tunnels or underground construction work. The A+T Nutzfahrzeuge Loglift 140S offers precise handling, high speed, and one-man operation. A few years ago, no material handling equipment in the world could boast a full set of these advantages, but the specialists at the German company A+T Nutzfahrzeuge have figured out how to remedy this. The Loglift 140S manipulator served as the basis for this innovation. After extensive research and development, the manufacturers have attached a pilot tractor cab to it, providing the operator with an excellent view of the working space. Now, these are universal self-propelled units of machinery, and the entire cycle of loading and unloading works, as well as subsequent transportation, can be performed by one person. The Loglift 140S can lift up to 9,250 pounds of load. Now let's shift gears to the Uniforest 85G. This machine here is a powerful forestry winch, built specifically for the tough demands of logging operations. We're talking about a machine that can pull up to 18,700 pounds of force. That's enough to drag even the biggest logs through rough terrain. One of the key features of the Uniforest 85G is its compact design. Unlike some bulkier winches, this one positions itself closer to the tractor, keeping the center of gravity low. That translates to better stability, especially on uneven ground. Another interesting detail is the wire rope spool. The design ensures tight coiling even when the spool is full, preventing tangles and keeping things running smoothly. SmartTruck is developing aerodynamic elements for trucks. Installing these elements under the trailer can reduce fuel consumption by over 10%. Considering that at a speed of approximately 49 miles per hour, more than half of energy consumption is due to overcoming air resistance, SmartTruck's developments are incredibly useful. The Undertray UT6 version includes a set of elements that can be installed in just a few hours. This optimization of airflow results in better cooled brakes and prevents overheating of the tires. Smart Truck elements are already being used by Torque Enterprises, Canada's most reliable perishable goods carrier. No wood processing lineup would be complete without a top-tier chipper, and the Farmy CH380HF chipper fits the bill perfectly. This high-capacity chipper is designed for professional use, capable of handling logs up to 15 inches in diameter. The CH380HF features a powerful 125 horsepower diesel engine and a hydraulic feed system that ensures smooth, consistent chipping. The adjustable output chute allows for easy collection and transport of wood chips, making it ideal for biomass production or landscaping. Witness the Farmy CH380HF in action as it effortlessly converts timber into high-quality wood chips. TR 6450 Vermeer. Sorting seems like a very complicated process, requiring a huge line of conveyors and a couple of clever manipulators. In fact, even a single machine can do the job without any artificial intelligence. Vermeer's TR 6450 automatic screen works with rocks, gravel, sawdust, and any other solid bulk material. It is designed to separate rock into 3 fractions in just one pass. With uninterrupted loading, such a unit can process a huge amount of rocks in a matter of hours and significantly reduce the costs of the company. Vermeer's stainless steel drum system is capable of passing even wet materials through the TR 6450, and the fine mesh will not deteriorate after extended use. The machine has a remote control that changes the angle of the conveyors, stops or reverses the drum, and adjusts the fractionation program. The Vermeer TR 6450 AutoSight is the true embodiment of the 3-in-1 concept. Sandvik DS411. The next technique we will talk about is the anchoring drilling machine. This is the very machine that reinforces the rock around mines and tunnels, increasing firstly, their strength, and secondly, the safety of all the work carried out inside. Profits and losses depend on how quickly the bracing is installed. That's why the DS411 delivers the highest possible performance. And the high-frequency perforator on board keeps the machine moving quickly throughout the entire shift. The Sandvik DS411 works universally with all common types of fasteners. The last advantage is the fully mechanized rock fastening process. This allows the entire job to be done by a single operator. Now let's dive into the impressive capabilities of the R945G8 crawler excavator with a mounted disc saw for sandstone sawing. This innovative combination brings precision and power to the cutting process. The excavator's robust design and high-performance engine provide the necessary strength and stability for the sawing operation. With the disc saw attachment mounted securely to the excavator arm, operators can easily maneuver and control the cutting process with precision. The saw's high-speed rotation and diamond-tipped blade make quick work of even the toughest sandstone, ensuring efficient and accurate cutting. This setup is ideal for quarrying operations, where precision and productivity are paramount. Why not place advertising panels on the trailer? That's exactly what the advertising experts at RoadAds did. They were assisted by software specialists from VisionAct and experts from Mercedes-Benz. As a result, the panels measure 35 inches by 59 inches, are protected from dust and moisture, and use electronic ink, making them clearly visible during the day without blinding drivers at night. The ads are uploaded via 4G and Wi-Fi, taking into account GPS coordinates. The tractor's battery is sufficient to power all of this. Next, let's take a look at the Bandit 250 XP drum chipper, a powerful and versatile chipper designed for heavy-duty applications. This machine features a 174 horsepower diesel engine and a large drum equipped with sharp, durable knives. The 250 XP can handle material up to 19 inches in diameter, making it ideal for processing logs, branches, and brush. The hydraulic feed system ensures smooth, efficient operation, while the adjustable discharge chute allows for precise placement of wood chips. The Bandit 250 XP is perfect for tree service companies, landscaping businesses, and biomass production. Yashica Granite's production. To understand the complexity of the stone extraction process, it is necessary to delve a little deeper into the specifics of this industry. Yashica Granite's production is a prime example. Market standards require hard rock to be cut in monoliths directly from quarries or associated mine workings. To make the stone easy to handle, the blocks are made quite large. At least 2 excavators or a special loader will be required to move such a huge block. In appearance, a stone quarry looks more like a Lego construction or the foundation of a future house. To achieve such flawless cuts, different technologies are applied at the excavations. Some of the most effective are drilling rigs, stone cutters, or rope saws. It is still quite costly to transport such blanks, so the rock is cut on site into smaller pieces. The blocks are then delivered to the customer, where the rough stone is used to create beautiful flooring, cladding, bathtubs, sinks, and other items of furniture and decor. MBG 450. Sorting grapples are the best technique for handling, processing materials of different sizes and shapes. The G450 model from the Italian company MB demonstrates even better performance. Thanks to the wide jaw opening, the grapple can handle even large materials. Interchangeable cutting edges extend blade life, and a special valve ensures safe working at height. The MBG 450 is designed as an attachment for medium excavators weighing between 3 and 6 tons. It is ideal for pipeline installation, excavation, road demolition, forestry maintenance, and green space improvement. Joining the crew is the Mansonen 300R, a giant among material handlers. This machine isn't your typical forklift. It's a mobile harbor crane, designed for heavy-duty work at ports and industrial sites. The 300R boasts a telescopic arm that can reach up to 165 feet depending on the configuration. That's impressive, but it gets better. This crane can handle massive loads up to 77 tons. That's enough to move even the biggest containers or heavy machinery with ease. An interesting feature is Mansonen's signature hyperlift system. This clever technology captures energy during lifting operations and reuses it during lowering, making the crane more fuel efficient. Railroaders often use booster sections, which are engines without cabs, for shunting operations within the station. Smith Global has created booster sections for road trains, known as the Toll MK5, which are remote-controlled and assembled from modules. This innovation brings the benefits of booster sections to the road transport industry. Smith Global has created booster sections for road trains, known as the Toll MK5, which are remote-controlled and assembled from modules. This approach enables the organization of production in multiple factories worldwide, with modules transported in standard ISO containers. Now we come to the Kesla C645 chipper truck, a two-in-one machine that streamlines the chipping process. The C645 chipper itself is a powerful unit mounted directly onto a sturdy truck chassis. This eliminates the need for a separate trailer, making transportation and setup more efficient. Branches, logs, and other wood waste are fed into the chipper using a hydraulic grapple. Sharp blades then reduce the material into uniform wood chips, perfect for landscaping, biomass production, or animal bedding. The Kesla C645 chipper truck is a versatile option for professional chippers who need a powerful and mobile machine. Commando DC300RE. If you still think that the mining industry uses pre-modern equipment, we're going to change your mind. The Commando DC300RE drill rig from Sandvik is designed for efficient and safe drilling of hard rocks, stone, granite, and even marble. The main feature of the machine is its versatility and complete autonomy. The drill can be controlled remotely with a special remote control, and the powerful engine makes the machine one of the most passable in its class. The Commando DC300RE is equipped with economical motors that reduce operating costs when developing monolithic blocks. The integrated iTorque intelligent drilling control system allows complex rock drilling processes to be left entirely to the machine. Another feature of Sandvik's products is the modular design, so that the operator can easily change tools or service the unit after a session. The machine's features make it suitable for both small production and large mining operations. The Dutchman 280 ILW is designed to quickly and safely move live plants for transplanting. The only way to remove a tree from the ground without killing it is with the roots. That's why the 280 ILW from the Canadian company Dutchman uses a cone-shaped bucket made up of several petals as a working tool. Thanks to their sharp edges, they cut through the ground in such a way as to take out the layer of earth together with the tree. Although it is not possible to transfer all the roots in this way, the damage is minimized so that the plant remains viable. This particular equipment digs up to a depth of 30 inches and is designed for small plants. However, the market offers larger diggers for larger trees. Now let's delve into the capabilities of the Vermeer TG7000, a monster in the world of tub grinders. This beast is designed for large-scale land clearing and recycling massive amounts of wood waste. The TG7000 uses a powerful cutting system with 10 hammers and 20 double-bolt cutter blocks to pulverize wood debris. An optional loader with a grapple allows for one-person operation, reducing labor costs and boosting efficiency. This machine is all about power and safety. It features a patented thrown object restraint system to minimize debris scatter during grinding. With a 950 horsepower engine, the Vermeer TG7000 tackles tough jobs with ease, making it a perfect choice for large-scale forestry operations or recycling yards. Driving vans is becoming increasingly comfortable. DAF, a Dutch company, has developed the digital vision system, which replaces the driver's mirrors and assists with highway driving, loading, and unloading. The system includes options such as outputting the line to determine the distance to the nearest car when overtaking and maneuvering, as well as an auto panorama of the rear of the trailer during turns. The system also considers compliance with legislation when adjusting the view. A special icon appears when the view is correct. Immerse yourself in the thunderous power of the Pizzolato PTH 1300-1500M, a forestry juggernaut designed to revolutionize wood processing. Capable of handling logs up to 26 feet long and 31.5 inches thick, this machine is driven by a robust 1,150 horsepower Caterpillar engine. Its 51-inch drum chipper converts logs into uniform chips at an astonishing pace, while intelligent controls optimize performance, making every operation efficient. Beyond chipping, the PTH's versatility shines with optional features like a circular saw for precision cutting and the ability to tackle unruly vegetation. Prioritizing safety and efficiency, the PTH is your gateway to a faster, smarter, and more connected forestry experience. Zima SBC 100. Let's get back to the miracle machine that processes rock. Next in line is the Zima SBC 100 from Garonne, a machine used for cutting stone. With the help of a powerful chainsaw, it can divide marble, granite, coquina, and even harder materials into equal squares. In essence, it is a mobile mini factory for creating stone blocks ready for sale. The apparatus is mounted on Caterpillar tracks, so that it will be able to pass on the most unfriendly roads of mountain quarries. In order not to stop processing for a second, the unit is able to rotate 360 degrees. The only thing left to do is to deliver new rock fragments to it without interruption. The Zima SBC 100 is simple, yet technologically advanced. Inside, it has everything you need for modern rock cutting. A high-precision laser, a movable drive system, and integrated cutting algorithms for process automation. If you've wanted to start a rock or scrap business for a long time, now you know exactly what equipment to choose.